All right, guys, Smoking Bears here. Man, let me tell you, I just got done with this skillet al pastor product review. Let me tell you, stuff's good. I like it. I like it a lot. In fact, I like it so much, I'm gonna make a second video on it. I got another batch cooking, but I want to try something that kind of came to mind earlier this week that intrigued me. So let me show you what I got going on. But before I forget, cheers, everybody. All right, so here's the meat. The pork trimmings, pork butt trimmings. With this al pastor skillet, really like it. Egg roll wrappers, that's what we're using. And I got some cabbage and carrots. So let me roll a few of these, try to roll a few of these up. I am no means a pro, still working at it, but let me roll a few up and show you what we got going on. So I want to take one wrapper. I'm doing it around the camera. Take one wrapper. Oops, guess you put it so you can see it. Set it triangular. Set it like this. Drop a bit of filling in there. Let's put some al pastor in there. And we want to get some of that grease up in there too. Some of that yummy grease. Here we go. Set that in there. Now let's try to roll it. Won't get messy. We want to try to roll it nice and tight. Carrots. Alright. I want to crease that, so get my cup of water, dip my fingers in it, and try to make that crease. So this will crease up, and this will crease up. Get my water around the end there, and roll it on up. As you can see, I got a hole there. I don't want that, but that's one. By no means am I a pro. I've only rolled maybe a handful of egg rolls, maybe two. Third time trying. Anyway, get some of that goodness down in there. Let us, we can do another one there. Let's try to roll this one sooner. And poke through. So let me do this, guys. So here they are. As you can see, I'm not good at it. So we'll just call these bear rolls. We'll drop them in this air fryer. You guys seen Pete do these, do something. Now I want to run, I don't know, let's tell me French fries. I'm going to chop this down to 370. Let's take our time down. Let's take it to 8 minutes and see what that does. So we'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm a little past the halfway point. Seems starting to brown up. Let's go ahead and roll them. They're starting to get crispy. Let's just go ahead and roll them. Alright. And it picks up right where you left off. Thing's awesome. Alright, let's let it roll. All right, so that was 8 minutes. It shuts off when it's done. So let's pull this out. Ooh, you guys are looking at them like I am. So those look pretty crispy. Move them over here to the cutting board. All right, guys, so here they are. They look pretty good. I'm kind of impressed with myself. Let me take one. Take the old hickory. Ooh. And that is going to be hot. But that looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Pretty good? Alright, so let's give it a taste test. It's going to be hot because this just came out. Look at that. That looks good. Mmm. Can you see the steam? I like that. You got the crunch from the outside. You got the cabbage and the carrots crunch, and then you get that nice meat with that al pastor. Man, al pastor bear rolls. It's a new thing. Cheers, everybody. Remember, a family of barbecues together, or in this case, cooks together. Well, they're not even around, but there's pay. That's pay. I pay. All right, guys. Remember, family of barbecues together stays together. Get out there, try something new.